While appearing before the ad hoc committee of Parliament, State Minister for Lands Sam Mayanja gave the ministry's position on the controversial NAKAWA-NAGURU housing estate land. The ministry and Uganda Land Commission have been accused of allocating plots to private companies without following the due process. Mayanja says when he assumed office in May 2021, he found out that some former ministers were issuing directives to the Uganda Land Commission to issue land titles to individuals on government land. According to the minister, the constitution and different land laws put the commission above the ministers.
Even giving them, issue this title, title to the following, or under the land fund, allocate to. And my question, my legal mind was saying, but under what do you give them?
You are being legalistic, you are being academic, please take charge, and nobody is going to question you, not even this committee, will question you for your political supervision or for carrying out your political roles. Obviously, without losing sight and focus of the legal implications. That's really my humble request.
This information is very useful. We shall follow it up as a committee in a specific regard to Naguru Nakawa to see if there is any minister, former minister, who directed or influenced in the allocation. And maybe it can help us to answer the questions of how did they advertise, how did they choose the people they chose. Suddenly you could find it's out of such directives that some people found or ended up on the list of allocators.
Mayanja further questioned the powers of the minister to interdict the chairperson and the commissioners.
You can't interdict whom you don't supervise. So she's appointed by His Excellency the President on advice of the Public Land Commission. So I would stop it there, but I would say that in my interaction, because with her, I was saying, why don't you address your issues to His Excellency the President?
And you are right. You see that lacuna. I'm sure one of the reasons why the President put you there is because of your legal background. You are even shy to write to the President about matters in your sector because the law does not provide. For me, I really think you are doing a very big disservice to the ministry.
The minister's statements come at a time when the chairperson of the Uganda Land Commission, Beatrice Biencha Nyakaisiki, is facing charges of obstruction of such and abuse of office before the Anti-Corruption Court. Herbert Ziwa, NTV at Parliament.